this video, I am going to show you how to make money online by typing names. This is perfect for beginners. This is a tutorial on how to make money online. Please like and subscribe to my channel Frank Media TV. And press the bell notification icon to get new video updates. Without wasting time, let's dive straight into the video. Now go to your web browser and enter a website called talentdesire.com. Work with popular brands and earn money online from home. Without invest a dime. Worldwide popular jobs for you. But today we are focusing on online typing job. You can earn up to US $45 to $90 or more per day. As your skills and experience grow, so will your bank balance. Now click on More button link. A wonderful way to earn money with your typing skill. We are looking for a typist to perform typing and word processing tasks for our worldwide clients. There are no minimum entry barriers, but you can find out more about the basic requirements. We offer top pay. You can earn up to US $13,000 to $27,000 or more per year. As your skills and experience grow, so will your bank balance. Guaranteed work. You should expect to get the minimum work of US $1,125,000 per month. Estimated earning per article begin from $3 to $6 per 300 words you types. Expected earning from $45 to $90 per 15 pages a day, 6 hours per day work. With the above example, now you can calculate your monthly estimated earning. As a beginner, you can earn US $45 per day as per above table. And if you worked in a month for 25 days, then your calculated monthly income will be 45 times 25 is equal to $1,125. Requirements. Basic knowledge of Internet and English. Minimum 30 to 50 words per minute typing speed on the computer. A computer with a high-speed internet connection. Eligibility. You must be at least 16 years old or above, secondary or high school diploma. Joining fees. Registration is absolutely free. There is no hidden cost before or after the joining, and we don't ask about investment to you on any stage. Now it's time to apply by clicking on the Apply button link. Now click on Select an application form. Click on Online Application Form. This online application form, OAF, will take you approximately 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Please take the time to complete this application form, as the questions we ask are vital to our screening process. Now click on Fill in your details. Checked Accept, and now fill in your personal details. Checked Yes, I have accept the above statement. Enter your signature, check the Am not a robot. Now click Submit button to send your application. Congratulations, Talent Desire Company, we reach out to you with 7 working days. Make sure you always check your mailbox. I will be in comments section in case you need further support. Please like and subscribe to my channel Frank Media TV. And press the bell notification icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.